Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Nikon ZF with the Sony A7IV and what are the main differences. So sensor is better for Sony by 8 megapixels. Then also it got kind of similar ICR range, but there is going to be 64 to 51,200. So this is like the first thing that you need to know. Also the screen is better for Nikon, then continuous shooting speed also Nikon. Then these things are equal, weight and dimensions are better for Sony. So when we're gonna go further on to look on the differences, so first thing first, pre-shooting buffer you have for Nikon, viewfinder magnifier Nikon, max ICO is better, and LCD screen size is better, the LCD resolution, the continuous shooting, the focus bracketing, main focus sensitivity, AS stop effectivity, and vehicle tracking and insect tracking. So this is something that you actually have. On the other hand, with Sony Alpha, you have the gyroscopic stabilization, lens braiding correction, anti-dust shutter mechanism, sensor resolution, number of focus points, battery life, and weight, and full-size HDMI support, and CF Express card support. So have a great day and goodbye.